Purnabhuja Shakti Vikasak Kriya. Keeping the feet together, head straight, eyes open, clench your fist by bringing the thumb in and folding it with 4 fingers. Inhale deeply via chest and holding the breath inside, rotate your arms backward. The elbows should be straight. Go as fast as you're comfortable. When it becomes difficult to hold the breath inside, exhale with the head outward. Relax and allow your breath to resume its normal pace. We are going to do another round with the forward strokes. But make sure not to start that unless your breath resumes its normal pace. Once you're ready, open your eyes, clench your fist again, inhale deeply and retaining the breath inside, rotate your arms in the forward direction. When it becomes difficult to hold the breath inside, release it with the head extending the arms outward. Relax. Start with just one round backward and one round forward. Thanks for watching. Namaste.